Hi, welcome to Bluefx.net. My name is Marcelo Cabral. Thanks for buying this last template called Social Network. And I'm here to show you how to customize this template in the most fast, easy, and efficient way. So let's move on. In the delivery folder that you receive, you will find this Social Network folder. Inside this, you have all these projects. Each one of these projects corresponds to a different color setup. For this tutorial, we will use this gray one. Just open it by double-click this. Okay, now I will show you what you will find in the project manager. Here you have all these folders and the 00 main composition, which we are seeing right now in the timeline. In the 00 you change folder you have all the compositions to modify your project, like the hands composition, the icon composition, all the text composition, the your site text, and your logo composition. In the other composition folder you have all the composition that we use to build this project. You will not need to use this composition for a standard customization. In the other resolution folder you have the same 00 main composition, but in all these different resolutions. Now let's see what else you will find in the timeline. This reference layer has several marks which will help you to locate in the timeline the element that you want to change. So you have here the initial text 01, the initial text 02, the icon 01, the icon 02, and so on. Even the subscribe now button, and your logo and your website text. Let's see now how to change some text element. As an example, I will change this text 01. To change this text, you only need to locate in the You Change folder the initial text 01 composition. Open it by double-click this. Once you get inside, select the text layer and retype a new text. I will retype here the phrase that we used in our previous video. Let's go back to the main composition. As you see, the text has changed. Let's change the second text using the same method. I will open this composition related with this mark, and I will retype here this phrase. Let's go back to the main composition again. Really easy to change. Now I will show you how to change the text and the icons. To do this, let's move the indicator over this mark, icon 01. To change this icon, you have to use this composition, icon 01. Open it please. As you can see, you have 20 icons here. All these icons are hide, except this one, which we are seeing in the scene. To show another icons in this composition, just locate in the timeline the icon that you want to show and unhide it. Unhide the previous one. I will choose this blogger icon. Let's go back to the main composition to see how this looks. The process to change this icon text is the same that I showed you. In this case you have a composition for the title, this text icon 01 title, and another composition for the link text, this text icon 01 link. Let's make some changes here. The process to change each one of these icons and text is quite the same. Just select the composition related with this icon, open the composition, and change the text. Now I will show you how to add your logo to this project. To do this, you have to locate in the 00 You Change folder the Your Logo composition. Open it please. Now you can add here your own logo file. I have one right here to show you how this works. I will select this file and I will drag it here in the timeline. I will make some little adjustments and I will hide this other layer. Let's see how this looks. Now I will change this text here. I will open this text your site composition and I will type another text here. Let's go back to the main composition to see how this looks. Now I will explain you how you can choose between female or male hands in this project. In the project manager, open this hand composition. As you see, you have all the hand sequences and we are seeing the male hands right now. To show female hands, just click over these pink squares here and select level group. This way you will select all the female hand sequences in the same time. Now just unhide it all, click here. Unhide the male hands using the same method. Select the level group, unhide it all, click here. Let's go back to the main composition. Now we have a female hand pressing the icon. Okay, there is another layer that you need to know about. It's this layer called color control. This layer contains all the colors controls to change the color style of your project. Let me show you. I will select the color control layer, and in the effect control I will select all the effects with the shift key and I will open it all. This text color effect controls the color of all the text in this project. With this background color up and background color down, you can modify the background color. With these button circles, you can change the color of these circles in this animation. With the orbit colors, you can modify the color of these little orbits here in the same animation. And with the icon lens color 01, 02, 03, 04 and 05, you can adjust the color of this lens depending on the icon color. I will show you how all these colors works in a practical example. I will move the indicator here over this icon 01 mark. I will start with the background color. Let's change this color and this color. Now the text color. And the icon lens, let's choose a color related with the icon color, like this orange. Now let's move the indicator over this button bar and change the color of this object and the orbit's color. Okay, done. As you see, the process to customize this project is quite simple. I think you already know all that you need to know to customize this project by your own. My name is Marcelo Cabral from Bluefx.net. If you have any question about this template, please feel free to contact us at bluefx.net. I hope to see you again in the next tutorial. Bye!